Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I will be making sushi roll, in Japanese, Maki Sushi. Maki Sushi is one of the sushi which we eat on a daily basis. It's pretty much like Korean Gimbap, and yes, this is the original. Maki Sushi was adopted to Korea and developed uniquely in Korea, and is more popular all over the world. This is an authentic Japanese recipe for upcoming Setsubun-festival on 3rd of February. The recipe is based on my grandmother's. You can skip some of the ingredients you cannot access and replace it with anything you want. Let's get started. First, rehydrate the dried shiitake mushrooms. Soak in lukewarm water and put a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface. It will take a couple of hours, so do this before start cooking. Add the soaking liquid, sugar, and soy sauce. Simmer until all the liquid is evaporated. Next, rehydrate the koya tofu. Koya tofu is freeze-dried tofu, one of the traditional Japanese preserved food. Pour a generous amount of lukewarm water in a bowl. Put the koya tofu in. It will absorb water and expand a little. Squeeze out the water and transfer to a pot. Add dashi, sugar, mirin, light soy sauce. Simmer until almost all the liquid is gone. Next, prepare the shrimp. Devein by using a toothpick. Insert the toothpick into second or third section from the tail and pull out. Wash thoroughly, and we need a straight shrimp, so we have to do something before cook. Insert a toothpick from the tail to head. In this way you can have straight body shrimp. Put them in a pot and sprinkle some salt and sake. Turn on the heat to medium and cook for a couple of minutes with the lid on. Turn off the heat and leave it until coming to room temperature. Shrimp won't get dry with the shell on. Peel the shell off and pull out the toothpick before use. Next, prepare tamagoyaki rolled omelette. Some of you guys have already seen the tamagoyaki video. This is the slightly sweet version for sushi. First, combine the seasonings. Crack 2 eggs and beat to combine yolks and white. Add mixed seasonings. Heat the rectangle tamagoyaki pan and oil the surface. Drop some of the mixture to check the pan is hot enough. Pour 1/3 of mixture. Roll it out to your side when it's half done. Slide the tamagoyaki away from you and oil the pan again. Pour 1/3 of the mixture and run the mixture underneath the first layer. When it's half done, roll it up to your side. I like to roll towards me, but some people do it opposite. Find the easier way to you. Repeat the process one more time. And it's done. Take out to the tray and let it cool. Cut into thick sticks. Next, cut cucumber into 4. Shave the seeds and cut into 2. Cut koe tofu into thick matchsticks. Cut simmered shiitake mushroom into thin slices. And all the ingredients are ready. Last but not least, prepare the sushi rice. Wash the rice until the water runs green. Cook rice in a rice cooker with a piece of comb kelp, according to the instruction. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can still cook rice in a heavy bottom pan. For more information, check my previous video. The amount of water is less than usual because we will add vinegar afterward. Take out the rice as soon as it's cooked to a large bowl. Scatter the seasoned rice vinegar. Use your rice paddle to break up each lump to absorb vinegar evenly. Mix with gentle cutting motion. Cover with a damp towel when it's mixed. Let's assemble. Set a sheet of nori shiny side down, the long side parallel to the edge of the sushi mat. Scoop sushi rice little by little onto the nori. Spread the rice to cover the nori with about a cup of sushi rice. I like to use rice paddle because it's less messy and just clean. Leave 2 cm margin at the end. Arrange the ingredients 5 cm away from the edge from your side like this. Now you know why I stick the toothpick into the shrimp. Each ingredient have to be straight to roll up nicely. Take the edge of the sushi mat by your thumb and index finger and hold the ingredients with rest of your finger. Lift the mat over the ingredients and pull back and roll up. Squeeze the mat tightly. There you have Maki Sushi. Slice into half by using a sharp knife dipped into water and slice into the quarter each half. And it will give you 8 even pieces. Use damp towel to wipe the knife prevent from sticking. Here is smaller size Maki Sushi called恵方巻.恵方巻means lucky roll and supposed to roll 8 ingredients. Because 8 is a lucky number. And恵方巻is eaten as it is, like burritos, so it have to be thinner than the regular Maki Sushi. Spread the 2/3 cup of sushi rice onto the nori and arrange the ingredients. Unfortunately, I don't have enough ingredients, so I went for nori seaweed and sesame. Cut into 2 and transfer to a tray. Serve with red miso soup made of leftover dashi stock which we made earlier.恵方巻is a relatively new tradition in our country. We have to eat the whole恵方巻facing to the lucky direction of the ear without talking. Anyways, it's your choice to how you eat the Maki Sushi. This is a mask for mame maki, soybean scattering. You have to eat the beans as much as your age. The older you are getting, the more beans you have to eat. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!